Hi Skinnies, Nick here.
And Lani.
This little one hasn't gone live with me for a while because she's like a teenager now and she doesn't want to, and we haven't done the peanut butter cups on camera yet. So this recipe was actually created by Lani because we were talking about what the next book was going to be, and I said Skinny America, and she said, well, can we do a Reese's Pieces recipe?
Because I love Reese's cups.
Yeah. How many do you reckon you bought last time? What was that?
It was the 32 pack.
It was a 32 pack. So first things first, we're gonna get that on a tray. All right, so you want to start out by either using a silicone muffin tray, mini muffin tray, or getting little patty liners. We use the little liners because the kids want to be able to take them to school or just take them for snacks and stuff like that. And we've made the peanut butter recipe, which is free on the website. So if you haven't checked that out, we've got a free peanut butter recipe, but we'll get started. So the first thing we want to do is put our oats into the machine. And this is the basis of the filling. What are you doing?
I'm trying.
Try harder. Oh. We'll start again. Let's start again. Like I said on my last video, don't ever work with children and don't work with animals.
Not an animal.
We'll get there.
That's too many.
It's not that loud. Now put the peanut butter in. Stop. 30 grams too much. Now we use maple syrup because it's just like absolutely replicates the flavour of the Reese's. Slow down, stop. Oh yeah, a little bit more. All right, there you go. 20 grams of coconut oil melted, so.
How are you meant to know how much?
That'll be fine. That'll be about enough. All right, bit of vanilla bean paste and a pinch of salt.
Oh.
That'll do. Now we blend this for 20 seconds speed 4.
We need some like elevator music. It's not elevator music.
All right, so now we're going to divide this into 6. So we wanted to show you guys how we actually do this because I thought it was a good tip that we had. All right, so what we're going to do is divide this into 6 now. So just chuck it all out onto a silicone mat. Don't do that. Are you kidding me? You're so annoying. We want to divide this so we'll divide that into half. Stop eating it. And then roll it into sausages. No, you're doing it wrong.
Oh, that looks stunning.
Thanks. You did a good job. You...
Why is this one so big?
Oh, split it off a bit.
It's so big.
Oh, Lani. Look at what she did.
You actually want some help?
Yes. I needed that laugh. And now we divide that. Stop eating it. Divide each one into 4. And I'm using the blunt side of my knife, don't worry, so that I don't cut my silicone mat up. Oh, I got tears running down my face. And now we just want to roll each one into a ball. All right, pop one into each tray. You don't wash the bowl for the next step. Now, depending on your peanut butter, you might have to just kind of squeeze it in your hands like that instead of like rolling it. It just depends on how oily your peanuts are. Chocolate, now I'm gonna mill that up. All right, so show them up close.
Oh, yummy.
All right, now I think we just add the rest of our ingredients.
Why are you laughing?
Now we just cook this for 2 minutes on 50 degrees. This is just gonna melt away now, and then we're going to pour chocolate over each one. Oh, I didn't do a very good job, did I? Stop eating it.
What are you doing?
The temptation is real.
What?
Are you gonna... Lani! We have our melted chocolate, you guys can see. So, all right, this is the way that I do it. So I get my kitchen scales out, I get a bowl, and I weigh exactly how much chocolate there is, and then I get Mez to divide it by 24. Can you do maths?
No.
So then all I do is I get the little one of these and I pop it on the
want this
scales, and you weigh in 10 grams of chocolate into it. And then so I know exactly what that looks like now visually. So now we just replicate that on the rest of them.
Hard.
So you can do that, Lani. Yeah, just make sure they're like covered and then move on to the next one. That is Lani's peanut butter cup recipe from Skinny America. I think she did a great job. And yeah, I made a mess. Isn't that always the way? What do you want to tell them?
They're good. Make them.
They're good?
Yeah, I think it's the best recipe in the book.
Do you?
I feel like I should get royalties.
What do you? Royalties, right. Love you guys. Say goodbye.
Bye.